Hello lovelies, I'm super excited to share this good news with you. If you have been looking for a way to relocate to Canada with your family, this is a golden and amazing opportunity for you to move into this beautiful big city of Winnipeg in the province of Manitoba. Winnipeg is seeking international applicants to move into their city and fill in labor shortages, and they are currently and massively recruiting international job seekers in different sectors, different professions, and different fields. So if you have been looking for an opportunity to move into Canada with your family, this is the opportunity for you to do so. Like I would always come with my evidence. Now, I'm currently on the website of Winnipeg, and I'm going to read to you. International job seekers seeking a career abroad, Winnipeg, Canada is calling. If you live outside Canada and are interested in living and working here, set up a free account and register in our Work in Manitoba job portal. Find your ideal job and connect with top employers in Winnipeg and Manitoba. You can see that for yourself. If you are willing to live in this city, in the province of Manitoba, all you need to do is to register on this platform, which I will be taking you through a step-by-step process on how you can get registered for this massive recruitment. You don't want to miss any part of this video because you would need a code to register for this particular recruitment exercise, which I'm going to share with you as I take you further in these videos. So if you are finding value from this video, please just give me a like, and if you're interested to move to the city of Winnipeg, just type I am interested in the comment section. Thank you. So it does not matter where you are in the world, this opportunity is open to anybody from any part of the world. So you can see it written boldly on their platform. Here are some of the places we are currently running recruitment campaigns. Please note that we are always recruiting talents from all over the world. So if you don't see your current location, you are still eligible to register on our Manitoba jobs portal. So from wherever you are, all you need to do is just get registered on this platform and you'll be connected with potential employers. Currently, they are running campaign in some parts of the world, especially in the US. If you are in the US, this is where you apply 2024 US recruitment event. But if you are outside US, if you are from Nigeria, from any other part of the world apart from US, this is where you get registered. Ongoing live in Winnipeg hiring campaign 2024. So you can see right here, Winnipeg Canada is hiring. Apply for jobs. So all you need to do is you have to register in the online job portal, build your profile, apply for job opportunities that match your skill and experience. Now let's look at the different sectors they are recruiting from. So throughout the year, employers who are interested in hiring skilled national and international professional post-job opportunities on the Work in Manitoba job portal. So set up your account today to begin exploring available opportunities and get hired by Manitoba employers. So the industries that are hiring right now includes the advanced manufacturing, the aerospace industry, creative industries, energy and environment, financial services, information and communication technologies, life science, tourism and hospitality, transportation and distribution. So these are the sectors that are hiring. You can see that this is just a group, a category. There are lots and lots of different job opportunities under this sector. And so this program is going to end by 31st of December 2024. So you want to take these opportunities very seriously before it ends and get registered, apply to these jobs, and before you know it, if your application is successful, you would in no time find your way into this beautiful city of Winnipeg. So let's go through the registration process. So all you need to do, just click register now. So are you looking to pursue a career in Canada? Consider one of Manitoba's many vibrant communities. Connect with employers from various industries through work in Manitoba. So to find a job, these are the 3 steps you need to take. Firstly, you need to register and create a free profile. If you do not have a postal code, you can enter 6 zeros so that your application can go through. If you don't have a postal code, that is what you need to enter. So I don't want anybody to ask me in the comment section if my application is not going through. That means you didn't follow me up to this stage. Second thing you need to do is to search for jobs through work in Manitoba. You will also get a notification once your profile matches a job opportunity. So the third step is to apply for the jobs that interest you the most. So the first thing we have to do now is to register. How do we register? You just come right here, come down here and click on create an account. Once it brings you here, you fill this detail: your first name, your last name, the email address, you confirm your email, and you insert your password. Then you click on create an account. When you are done creating your account, it gives you this message: we've sent a confirmation. So you check your email for the confirmation email. This is what the confirmation email looks like. Just click on activate account. Once you are able to activate your account, it's going to bring you here and see take 10 minutes to increase your chances of matching to more opportunities. So you're going to build your profile. So when you click on next, it brings you here. Tell us about yourself to start getting matched to opportunities in a few simple steps. We'll set up the basics of your profile so you get the most out of your magnet account. So you still click on next. This is where you get to fill in your basic profile information. You upload your resume. You're going to fill your education and work experience and your job preference. You're going to select which job you prefer, and you're going to have to declare that the information you give is actually accurate and correct. So for the basic information, you need to fill your first name, your last name, your postal code. If you do not have any postal code, you're going to insert 6 zeros. So if you don't have an accurate postal code, so as not to encounter any problem during your application process, you would have to insert 6 zeros. You fill your location, whichever country you're applying from. Work eligibility, you select your country. Then your language, let's assume it is English. So and you click on save and continue. It then takes you to the next page where you can upload your resume, and from there it takes you to update your work experience and your job preference. You are going to select it, and then you give your self-declaration. I don't want this video to be too long, that's why I'm not taking you through that process, but you can see that it's very easy. Just take your time, ensure that you put in your best in this application so that your application can look so attractive to potential employers. And what they are going to do is, once any employer finds your profile good enough, they are going to reach out to you via email, and you begin your process from there. And so you want to ensure that your resume is in Canadian format. If you don't have your resume in the Canadian format, please check the video I made on how you can build and download your standard Canadian format resume using the job bank. You can create it in few steps and download it for free. So you want to check that video. I'm going to drop the link in the video description or in the comment section, and I'm also going to attach it to this video.